Hello, my name is Vincent Creel, Public Affairs Manager for the City of Biloxi, here to deliver today's report for Friday, May 7th, 2021. It's been a busy week. It began with Mayor Andrew "Fofo" Gillich making the wearing of face masks optional at Biloxi City facilities. Then there was the Biloxi Police Department's Fallen Officer Ceremony over at the Lopez Cuave Public Safety Center. It was on Tuesday, which was also the second anniversary of Biloxi Police Officer Robert McKeithen being gunned down in the parking lot of the Public Safety Center. The National Day of Prayer was held on Thursday over in the City Council room at Biloxi City Hall. We'll have news on the Shuckers coming home soon, and we'll have your weekend preview, the COVID-19 and vaccinations update, and of course your moment of Zen. But we begin today with traffic. Biloxi Police Chief John Miller has said it, so we know it's true. We're seeing more and more traffic on the roadways in Biloxi these days. You can chalk it up to a number of things, to the time of year, to the weather, which is great on most days, and the easing of COVID-19 mandates, especially the easing of COVID-19 mandates. Please remember, as you're driving through the city, be careful. Expect delays. Be patient. We are a visitor-oriented destination. We had about 14.2 million visitors to Biloxi and the Gulf Coast in 2019, according to our tourism leaders, and most of these visitors drive in. So let's be courteous on the roadways. We'll talk about rain and construction projects in a moment, but first, here's the latest on COVID-19 and vaccinations. You will also notice this report has been scaled back because of the decrease in numbers.
As of Thursday, May the 6th, the Mississippi State Department of Health reports 214 new cases of the coronavirus statewide and 3 new deaths statewide. In Harrison County, 11 new COVID-19 cases were reported and 1 new death was reported. Overall, nearly 313,000 cases of COVID-19 have been reported statewide, with more than 7,200 deaths. As for the hospitalizations, the state reports that as of May the 4th, 170 patients with the virus were hospitalized statewide. 8 were in coast hospitals, and 4 of those patients were in intensive care units. The state also says that as of May the 3rd, more than 300,000 are presumed to have recovered from COVID-19. As for the vaccinations, more than 1,700,000 Mississippians have now received a COVID-19 vaccination. More than 800,000 are fully vaccinated, and 23% of residents in Harrison County have been fully vaccinated. The state says that if you are fully vaccinated, that is, 2 weeks have passed since your second dose of a COVID-19 vaccination, you can gather indoors with other fully vaccinated individuals without wearing a face mask or staying 6 feet apart. And you can gather outdoors without a mask if the gathering is small. Also, you can dine outdoors and attend outdoor activities with other fully vaccinated people without wearing a face mask. But remember, wearing a mask is still the safest way to help lessen the spread of the virus, and only 23% of Harrison County residents have been fully vaccinated. Also, masks are no longer required to be worn in city facilities, but Mayor Andrew "Fofo" Gillich encourages those who feel more comfortable wearing a face mask to continue to do so. For more information about vaccinations, links to appointments, and participation in activities, visit the city's website at biloxi.ms.us. You may also call the Mississippi COVID-19 hotline at 877-978-6453 to schedule a COVID-19 vaccination.
We had nearly 4 inches of rain Tuesday night, inundating construction projects across the city. Here's the view at Oak and 3rd Street, where the massive infrastructure project continues. Pumps are moving the rainwater so that workers can resume progress. Each time we have a torrential downpour like this, it typically takes a day or 2 just to get the worksite back to where it was before the rain began. And out on Shriners Boulevard, work appears to be ahead of schedule. Here are 3 images that tell the story. One is from a few weeks ago, one is from last week, and one from just the other day. The construction work began on April 6th, and contractors expect the project to wrap up and the roadway to reopen well ahead of its June 6th deadline. That is, if the weather cooperates. The rain also impacted the Biloxi Shuckers season opener in Birmingham on Tuesday. The game was delayed until Wednesday. That's when the Shuckers dropped a doubleheader to the Barons. After a 6-game engagement in Birmingham, the Shuckers will have their home opener at MGM Park on May 11th when they face the Mississippi Braves. Work continues to get the Biloxi ballpark ready for play. On the left, you can see the new $500,000 video scoreboard, and at right, high up in the air, work is underway to repair the foul ball netting. You can learn more about the Biloxi Shuckers and even buy your tickets online by visiting the Shuckers website at biloxishuckers.com.
This weekend, temperatures are expected to be sunny and mild. In downtown, the monthly First Friday event takes place Friday from 4 to 9 p.m. The event includes a block party at the District Green, live music, food trucks, musical bingo with prizes, a bicycle ride, and more. The event is free to attend. For other happenings, don't forget to check out the community calendar on the city's website for more information. And if you are out and about enjoying the weekend activities, don't forget to text Biloxi to 99411 for traffic and weather advisories. We leave you today with a moment of Zen. We'll see you again next Friday.